How to transfer your WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone or iOS device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer your WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. Now, before it was not possible to do so, or it was literally quite hard to get through it. But now what you can do is on your Play Store on your Android device, you can simply go ahead on both your device. You can tap on this option here on your Android device and you can search in for Move to iOS app and you can install it. Once you install it, you can open it up, tap on agree and tap on continue. Now here you want to go ahead to continue. Now make sure you're connected to the same network connection. So I'll just tap on don't send and you can see it'll ask you for location. You want to tap on continue and go ahead and tap on continue. Now if you don't see a code on your iOS device, make sure you are in iOS setup assistant and have selected move data from Android. So you want to head into your device and you want to head into iOS setup assistant and you want to select the option that says move data from Android, then tap on continue, then enter in the code. Once here you want to go ahead through the prompts, then select the WhatsApp data transfer and then you're good to go once you're going ahead through the prompts. So you can see it'll give you an option to transfer messages, contacts, calendar, Google account, camera roll and WhatsApp as well. So you can see here, so you're going to select WhatsApp and tap on continue and you can move it. So this is the way that you can transfer your WhatsApp chats. Unfortunately, I don't have an iOS device here to show it up in detail, but this is how you can do it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.